In today's competitive talent landscape, recruiters and staffing agencies need more than just a database. They need intelligent tools that accelerate the hiring process, reduce administrative burden, and ensure no qualified candidate is overlooked. JobDiva delivers on all fronts. JobDiva is a leading all in one applicant tracking system and recruitment platform designed specifically for staffing firms and in house hiring teams. From posting job openings to sourcing candidates, scheduling interviews, and managing placements, JobDiva brings everything under one roof. It also includes built in CRM tools, workflow automation, and VMS integrations, making it a true end to end solution for modern hiring teams. In this video, we'll walk through the core features of JobDiva, how they benefit recruiters and hiring managers, and why it remains a trusted platform across the staffing industry. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the applicant tracking system. JobDiva's ATS allows recruiters to manage every stage of the candidate journey, from job posting to hire. You can easily post jobs to multiple boards, receive applications, and track candidate statuses. Each applicant has a centralized profile where you can view resumes, notes, communications, and interview progress. This feature keeps everything organized and centralized, helping recruiters reduce time to hire, collaborate efficiently, and never miss a step in the process. Another key feature is the AI powered resume search and matching. One of JobDiva's standout features is its advanced resume search, which uses AI and NLP to match candidates to jobs based on experience, skills, and relevance. You can search by availability, location, and even past job performance. Instead of sifting through thousands of resumes manually, JobDiva instantly brings the best candidates to the top, saving time and improving match accuracy. Another key feature is the integrated CRM for client management. JobDiva combines candidate tracking with CRM capabilities for managing client accounts and job requisitions. You can keep detailed notes on conversations, manage job orders, and track which candidates were submitted and when. This tight integration helps recruiters maintain strong relationships with clients, track their preferences, and deliver timely, tailored talent submissions. Another key feature is the VMS integration for high volume hiring. JobDiva integrates with major vendor management systems, automatically pulling in job orders and allowing recruiters to submit candidates directly from within the platform. It helps eliminate redundant data entry and improves turnaround time for client submissions. This is especially critical for staffing agencies that deal with enterprise clients and need to manage hundreds of job openings at scale with minimal friction. Another key feature is the automation of recruiting workflows. From candidate outreach to task reminders and onboarding checklists, JobDiva allows teams to automate routine activities. These workflows ensure that nothing slips through the cracks, even during busy hiring seasons. By automating repetitive tasks, JobDiva frees up recruiters to spend more time engaging with candidates and clients, ultimately improving productivity and candidate experience. So, why is JobDiva a great choice? JobDiva is built with the complexities of staffing and recruiting in mind. Its robust search tools, automation features, and CRM functionality give recruiters full visibility into both candidates and client relationships. The interface is intuitive, and the system is highly configurable to suit various recruiting workflows. Whether you're focused on contract staffing, full time placements, or both. Its AI search and built in CRM provide a serious competitive advantage, especially when speed and accuracy are critical. Recruiters can access a full history of every interaction, placement, and resume, helping teams stay organized, efficient, and focused on results. Another major strength is scalability. JobDiva is used by small boutique firms as well as some of the largest staffing agencies in the world. The platform adapts well as teams grow, and its continuous updates ensure it stays ahead of recruitment tech trends. So basically, if you're a recruiter or staffing professional looking for a smarter way to manage candidates, clients, and job orders, JobDiva is a powerful platform that brings it all together. Whether you're placing a few candidates a month or handling hundreds of job openings, JobDiva helps you work faster, reduce time to fill, and improve the quality of your hires. So in 2025, staying competitive in recruiting means having the right technology. JobDiva delivers exactly that: efficiency, intelligence, and the flexibility to evolve your hiring strategy. So if you're ready to elevate your recruitment process, JobDiva is a platform worth mastering. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.